Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize some brushes. I shared some holiday brushes in the Shoot Me, the Art and Business of Photography. It's a closed Facebook group for all levels and genres of photographers. It's a great learning and sharing environment. So when I share images or when I share brushes and whatnot, I don't often go into great detail that there's lots of different things that you can do with it. When you have your brush tool selected, I'm just going to use my watermark brush for today. You're not limited to just your foreground colors here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new layer because this is going to enable me to size it, change it, alter it in any shape or form without disturbing the image. So I'm going to stamp this on at 100%. It's quite large because I wanted you to be able to see what's going on. Since I'm on this layer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go find a JPEG image, or you can use a PNG image, and you're going to do Place Embedded, and let's go with the multi one here. I think it's going to complement it kind of nice. Comes in quite large. What you're going to want to do is size it down so that all those little sparkles come through in a finer detail. Once it's set in place, you can either check the box at the top to confirm this, or you can just click on the layer and it locks it in place. The next thing you want to do, well, it covered our watermark. So what you're going to do is you're going to hover between these two layers, hold your Alt key down, and you'll see this arrow that comes up. That's your clipping. And we're going to clip it to the watermark. Since we did this on a separate layer, I can click on that layer, I can do V for move, and I can move this, but as you see, it's not moving the above layer with it. If you want to do both, you're going to click on the bottom layer, hold your Control key down, and now you've chosen both. Now you can move this anywhere within the image and choose its placement. Again, since we did it on a separate layer and it's not affecting this particular layer, we can put it anywhere and we can size it any which way we want to at this point. That's just one method. The other way is, we're going to shut that off there, through your styles. I have many styles within my library because of the graphics that I do. Some of them I like as styles, some of them I prefer as a PNG or a JPEG. But the styles is a nice way because you don't have to go hunt your PNG or your JPEG file down. So with the styles, being on your layer that has your watermark on it, you can click on any of these and it's going to show you the style automatically. And there's all different, I'm sure some of you can find some in a lot of different places. So once again, because we did this on a separate layer, being that it's a style, we don't have to worry about clicking the above layer that we clipped to our watermark. Styles applies it directly to that. So you can shift and move this around just using V for move, and you can size it any which way you want to. Now, this isn't limited to just brushes. Let's create a new layer. We have to release that clipping mask because I don't want that to be clipped. And we can choose our text tool. And we can just say, Happy Holiday. Now, that's just a regular text. So we're going to confirm it, put it in place, and we have this glitter one already pulled up, so we're going to use that. We're going to click that on. See, my little box comes right back. And again, if you hover between the two layers, holding your Alt key down, it's going to create that clipping. So now you've applied it to the happy holidays. So you're not limited to a brush. You can do this with text. You can do it with styles. There's numerous different ways of using a brush or text and adding a little glitz and glam to it. In another video, I'll go over what the effects and the pattern overlays are, but for now, you can maybe add some sparkle to your life. Thanks, and have a great day.